Today we're making Chicago style deep dish pepperoni pizza, or a pizza pie, however you want to call it, smoked on the Z grills. Y'all stick around, make sure you subscribe. Let's get to it. And here we have our Chicago deep dish. And like I said earlier, this is from Lou Malnatis, and this is their pepperoni pizza, and this should feed 2 adults, it says. And here's the instructions for cooking. It says preheat in the oven to 425. This bad boy is going in the Z grills today with some hickory smoke. And then it also says lift pizza out of pan, wipe the pan with some oil so it doesn't stick, and then place the pizza back in it and cook for 40 to 45 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and open this top here and get the pizza out, and then wipe the pan with some oil so it doesn't stick like it says. That's looking pretty. Let me bring this up for y'all so y'all can see it. It's got some good textures in there, some pepperoni, lots of sauce, and of course you can see this is a deep dish, so that's gonna be good. Let me see if I can get this pizza out without breaking it. There we go. Since it's frozen, it's not too difficult. Let me set that to the side there. Now we have our pan. There we go. And now I'm gonna add some cooking oil in there so we don't stick while we're cooking on the Z grills today. Just a little bit, it doesn't take a whole lot. About a half a capful or so. So we've got our pan all oiled and ready to put our pizza back into it, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and form up the sides a little bit just to help it cook evenly while we're out there on the cooker there, the Z grills. That's what we're looking like again. Next time I see y'all, the Z grills will be heated to around 425 degrees with that hickory wood, and we'll be tossing this bad boy on. Alright, it's time to toss this pizza on. We're gonna be around 400 degrees on the pellet cooker, like I said. The Z Grills has a setting up to 375, and then it's got a high temperature mode, which is around 400-ish. So we're gonna go ahead, just to play it safe, we're gonna cook closer to 375 and just kind of rotate it around and eyeball this pizza while it's cooking. Let's go ahead and open up the Z Grills and get our pizza on. We got plenty of smoke rolling. We're gonna utilize this middle shelf right here. That'll be perfect for our pizza. Let me go ahead and bring y'all in so y'all can see what we're looking like. There you go. We got our pizza on, the smoke's rolling. I'm gonna shut this down and we'll check on it in 15 minutes. Alright, it's actually been about 20 minutes now, and it's time to check on our pizza. We've been rolling around 375 to 385 this entire time, and like I mentioned, this grill goes from setting 375 to high, which is around 450. So towards the end, if we're not happy with the color, we'll crank it up to high and finish it off. So let's take a peek and see what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like, y'all. You can tell it's starting to thaw out a little bit. That sauce is starting to really brighten up. The hickory wood's smelling awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down, and we'll check on it in 20 more minutes. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes longer, and this is what our Lou Malnatis pizza is looking like. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not, but that sauce is starting to steam a little bit. It's starting to bubble. That Parmesan cheese grated on top starting to melt nicely. What we're going to do now is I'm going to shut this down for 5 to 10 more minutes and crank it up to the high setting, which will get us around 450 degrees. And we're going to try and really get a nice crust on that outer edge of the pizza there for this last 5 to 10 minutes. And also, we just rotated it. This side was actually faced towards the back just a little bit ago. So for these last 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna cook just like this. Next time I see y'all, it's time to taste. Alright y'all, so here we have our Chicago style deep dish pizza. It's smelling awesome. If you could just be here, y'all would think so too. The crust turned out good. We've got some nice bubbling happening in the sauce. Did have a little mishap over here when I was getting it out of the pan, but that's alright, it's all going to heat just fine. Let's go ahead and get us a slice out of here. Right there. Man, it smells good. I love me a pepperoni pizza. Comment down below, what is your favorite kind of pizza? And have you ever smoked a pizza? Let's see here. Let's see what we're working with. Man. Look at that, y'all. Let's turn this camera around and give it a taste. There y'all have it. That's how you smoke a Chicago deep dish Lou Malnatis pizza. The pepperoni, the cheese, the Parmesan smells great. You can smell that smoky element. Let's give it a try. That's good stuff. You can taste that smoke on it. It's got some nice mozzarella cheese in there with that Parmesan cheese as well. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. Until next time guys, y'all keep on barbecuing.